Phobia. Phobia is a word ending that tells us about different fears or dislikes people may have, like fear of spiders, fear of water, fear of closed rooms, and many more such phobias. Acrophobia. It is fear of heights. Her acrophobia stops her from climbing mountains. Claustrophobia. Fear of small or closed spaces is called as claustrophobia. His claustrophobia makes him avoid elevators. Arachnophobia. It is fear of spiders. Due to arachnophobia, she screamed when she saw a spider in her room. Agoraphobia is a fear of open or crowded places. Because of agoraphobia, he avoided going to the market. Follow for more.